Here's an update on some of my crypto mining. I'm still doing my Doge and Litecoin out in the garage with my L3s. But in here, I'm going to try that XCH Chia farming. I got 30 hard drives going right now, 8 terabytes apiece. I get them on eBay anywhere between $45 and $50 used. I'm going to try to catch some cheaper ones here pretty soon, if I'm lucky. And other than that I'm going to try to get as big as I can when I can afford it. I don't want to put any money into it I can't afford to lose. I've been running anywhere between 175 to 100 watts, which isn't very much power draw at all. And if you like what you see and you want to keep up with me, be sure to subscribe. I can use all the subscribers I can get. Thank you.